Introduce yourself. Who is Mr. Ismail?
My name is Ismail Ahmad from Sharkhan County. I read in class 6.
Wonderful. Okay, it means that you are reading class 6. Okay,
Yes.
first of all, that you have to describe your daily routine. How are you spending your individual day? Your daily routine, how are you spending?
When I get up early in the morning
Good job.
and then I I offer Praja prayer.
Mm-hmm.
I offer Praja prayer, then I come back from offer Praja prayer
Mm-hmm.
and then I do eat
Wonderful.
breakfast
Yes, breakfast. Okay,
breakfast
breakfast. Yes.
and then I go to school.
Mm-hmm.
And when I come back from school,
Mm-hmm.
then I go to Upper Zohar prayer,
Wonderful.
and then I go to academy,
Well job.
and then when I come back from academy,
Yes.
and then I played hockey.
Yes, then play any sports game. Yes.
Yes, and then I go to Islamic Institute,
Wonderful. Okay.
and I eat dinner,
Okay, good job.
and then I go to bed and for sleeping.
For sleeping, wonderful. Okay, Mr. Ismail, that first of all, then you can say that when I woke up early in the morning, so really that you are often a Fajr prayer.
Yes.
Okay, how many rakats in Fajr prayer?
4.
Okay, good job, mashallah. Okay, and for example, when you are free from academy, right? So and then you usually you play hockey. So why you are playing hockey?
I
Do you
was
like hockey?
Yes,
Okay, so why do you like hockey?
very good hockey.
Okay, you can say it's a sports activity, and I like going. So do you know it's a national game of Pakistan?
Yes,
Okay, and how many friends in your street they are liking hockey? How many friends?
6th.
Six friends.
Yes,
And you are playing among themselves?
yes,
Okay. And you are captain of them?
no.
Okay. And from how have you been long to playing hockey? How many days ago that you are playing still hockey?
Egg
On
week.
daily basis, on
Yes,
daily basis
on
you are
daily
playing
basis.
hockey.
Yes,
Okay, so in which place that you are playing hockey?
Sharkhan County.
Okay, is it available ground,
Yes,
playground?
no. Yes, yes.
Okay, length, how much long?
Short.
Oh, is a small area.
Yes,
Okay,
small
well,
area.
good job. And another question that I'm going to ask from you about which your favorite subjects?
My favorite subject is maths.
Maths. Okay.
Yes,
So why do you like math subjects?
it is very easy subject,
Mhm. And
and I like maths.
okay, I like math.
Yes.
Okay, so may I ask the last numbers? How much marks did you get in your final exam in fifth class?
Mm,
Approximately. Don't telling a lie. Okay, try to
okay.
speak correctly. Yes. So how was your marks about in math?
6,000
Yes.
and 7. 600 and 7.
Okay, it means that how much?
607.
607 and out
Yes.
of
700.
700.
Yes.
Good job, mashallah. Okay. And what do you like in fruits and vegetables?
I like fruit and vegetable. I like fruit, banana, mango, apple, pineapple, strawberry, etc. And I like in vegetable.
Vegetables, yes.
Yes. Potato,
Mm.
onion,
Mm.
tomato,
Good job.
brinjal.
Brinjal, good
Yes.
job.
Carrot.
Carrot, good job.
Yes.
Yes.
Etc.
Okay, are these fruits and vegetables?
Yes.
Okay, and thank you so much for giving us time. And now you have to give the opportunity to Mr. Bilal.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.